Tehelka, the news magazine, has put out this article on its website listing at least the names of 15 Indians they claim are part of the Liechtenstein list with black money in Swiss accounts in Liechtenstein. Tehelka's report names Indians who have black money stashed abroad. According to the Tehelka report, they have not named an Indian who is also part of the list, but part of some big corporation at this point.
Well, the government definitely has those names, and we have been told by the CBDT officials that tax notices have been sent to all these individuals, so the tax notice or tax evasion is to the tune of 25 crore. But what is interesting, Maruk, is in this list, if you look at the list, apart from the 13 names which have been given, or 12 names of individuals which have been given, which include Manoj Dupelia, Rupali Dupelia, Mohan Dupelia, Hasmukh Dupelia, Chintan Gandhi, Dilip Mehta, Arun Kochar, Gunwant Mehta, Rajnikant Mehta, Prabodh Mehta, Ashok Jaipuria, Raj Foundation, Urvashi Foundation and Ambrunova Trust are the three trusts or the three foundations which have been named in the list. And as we have been telling earlier, been reporting earlier, that this money laundering through offshore foundations, offshore trusts is a major practice which is being followed everywhere, not only in Liechtenstein but also in Germany, in Switzerland. And we have been told by officials that trusts are being used to siphon off money and then bring back the money, reroute the money through various routes. In these three trusts have been named here, and we have been also been told by the Tehelka report that the three trusts are not registered in India, which in turn implies that they do not come under the jurisdiction of the Indian tax authorities.